Let's make some twice baked potatoes. You want to start off by wrapping in foil and baking for 1 hour. So the way you could tell if it's done, see how it goes easily in? So that one's done. We open it up. And just cut it in half. Be careful, it's hot. And then scoop it. Then I'm gonna season it. This is just green onions I dried from the garden. Some onion powder, garlic powder, some salt, and pepper. Then I'm gonna add the jalapeno cheese. You can add as much as you want, but I do, for 2 potatoes is about a cup. That sounds good. And then we're gonna do about that much sour cream. And this time I'm gonna go ahead and add the bacon as well. You need the whisk attachment, and then just mix. And just twist it. It should be like this, like mashed potatoes, but thicker. Take the mixture and you stuff it in the potato like this. And they should look like this. And then you bake it for about 15-20 minutes until it gets like golden brown. And they're all done. Look how delicious they look.